Hello guys, here we are, and we're going to get rid of the stock 2021 Tesla Model 3 steering wheel. This is the one without the heated wheel. This is from December 2020 build, so it doesn't have the heated wheel. We're going to replace it with that. So first what you got to do is you got to come and grab some tools, obviously. And under here, there's, where are you at? Right there. There's another one on the other side. You gotta stick something in there. I use a hex key, and it'll pop this side. That side will pop this side. This side will pop this side, and the airbag will come off. First, don't be a dum-dum. Open your door and go to, where is it? Safety. Turn the damn car off. Cool. All right, let's do this. And just like that, we popped off the airbag. Be very careful with it. Don't want it to go off. You got to disconnect it from here. And if you want to know if you have the heated steering wheel, they say right down in here, this little cavern right here. See that blue connector? There's another blue connector that's tucked away right in here. So if you pop your airbag off, you can probably tell if you got the heated steering wheel. There's a blue one there. There's a blue one there, and then there'll be a third one here. All right, so I'm gonna take this stuff apart. I'm gonna take that brown reddish piece off, the connector, yellow connector, and then there's 4 hex right there, T20s, that you gotta get rid of to take the wheel off, and then the bolt. So we're gonna do that now. Finally got it off with some work and a big ass bar, which I don't know where it went. Also my wife's hands, she doesn't want to be seen, but took the 4 T20 hex bolts out, one right there, 2 down there, 1 right there. Now you gotta pop some black clips right there. And there it is, a bare ass steering wheel. Gotta get one more thing out. That little metal thing that presses in from the side to pop out the airbag. And after putting everything back in reverse, so that means putting the clips back in the back, putting the T20 Torx screws back in, putting the guts back in, hooking everything back up, putting the main bolt back in, putting the airbag back. Final result. Not too bad, huh? Big shout out to VQ Carbon Customs out of Cranston, Rhode Island. He's the one that did all of this. Went and met him. He gave me this wheel on the spot. Very, very competitively priced. Amazing, amazing work. I gotta clean right there, huh? In any case, that's not his fault, that's my fault. Gotta clean it up, but with that white interior, pardon the garbage everywhere and stuff, because I was putting this wheel in, but I'd say coming from that wheel to this wheel is a come up. Again, shout out VQ Carbon Customs, Cranston, Rhode Island. Thanks.